Did you know that in 1961, a nuclear reactor accident was so horrific that one victim was literally pinned to the ceiling by a control rod? January 3rd. Idaho. 3 operators were doing routine maintenance on the SL-1 experimental reactor. Then it exploded. The blast was instant, devastating. One operator was impaled by a control rod that shot through his body with such incredible force it embedded him 9 feet up in the ceiling. The radiation levels were beyond deadly. Recovery teams could only work 65-second shifts before they'd absorb lethal doses. It took 6 days just to retrieve the bodies using remote-controlled equipment. When investigators finally entered, they found a scene from hell. Blood spatter across the ceiling. A human body suspended above the reactor. Radiation readings that could kill in minutes. The government covered it up for years, listed it as simple operator error, but declassified documents reveal the true horror of what happened in that reactor room during America's most gruesome nuclear disaster.